Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and a quick unboxing of this Type A11 from PRAESIDUS watches. Now when I do unboxings I like going in blind, so this will be my honest reaction. PRAESIDUS did send this watch to me for free and I do get to keep it, but I'll try not to let that affect my judgment. Nice, simple, but good quality cardboard outer boxing, some marked tape, which will make unboxings a bit easier. See what happens when we remove the lid. So here we have the Type A11 straight up. And this is gonna be an interesting review or watch to review, because there's a lot of things about this that I don't usually go for in a watch. But before we get back to the watch packaging, we have instructions manual. No, we won't use that. We have a hang tag. It's very military inspired watches. Now, for those who know your watch history, you know about the Dirty Dozen. 12 watch companies that made watches during the Second World War. And that's it, it seems, in this packaging. Nothing else in the lid. No. So let's jump into the watch. Everything is simple, but it's high quality. Feels sturdy. And this is a theme I like when it comes to smaller watches or watch brands. Do it simple, but do it good. And here you have, I guess, the full article number. Canvas strap feels really nice, quick release. Do we have any plastic to remove? Yes, I do believe we have. And also on the back side. Now, this style of military watches are meant to be simple, but very legible. And yeah, you'll have to say that this is both of those. I do believe I like going in blind, but I've read up that this is an NA35 movement. No screw down crown, which I would have thought a military watch would have had. Because it's an NH35, but no date window. We have a ghost date position. And on the second position, we can set the time. No real need for the usual 10-10 setting, is it? Feels nice. Yeah, the winding is super nice, super smooth. Let's remove the strap quickly to see the detailing. Really nice brushing in combination with polishing. We have a mineral crystal, sapphire coated, I do believe. Nice heft to it, nice watch. So what the dimensions do we have? 38 millimeters, I would say. Case diameter. Mere 45 millimeters lug to lug. But look at the curvature on that lugging case. It's beautiful. Grid lug as well. And the thickness, look how nicely that crystal is integrated into the case. That's really, really cool. 12.7-ish. Of course, we have $20 millimeter between the lugs. And for those of you who are curious, I've seen Random Rob does this all the time. We have a 6.5 millimeter crown, which is super grippy. And all in all, we have a really interesting and nice vintage looking case finish. Leather on the inside, canvas on the outside, reinforced holes. Is a sign buckle? No? No signing there, not as far as I can see. Let's remove the tag and let's put on wrist. Roughly between 16.5, 17 centimeter wrist, depending on the day. This strap is gonna break in nicely. It's a bit stiff from the get-go, but I can feel it with some sort of experience by now that this is gonna break in nicely. Smaller watch. This is a no-nonsense, go about going into the woods and so on, which is suitable for the summers here, and it's time to go foraging for berries and mushrooms and so on. That's what my little family like to do. So I'm gonna wear this out and about, and in a few weeks, hopefully, I'll be able to do a review. Feels quality so far. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.